I'm JAYDEN LANE, a member of the business sub-team, and while everybody else is building the robot, I'm on my way over to the middle school to help mentor the FTC kids. FTC stands for First Technical Challenge, the intermediate level of FIRST Robotics. And here at the middle school, we have 3 separate FTC teams. Our 3 FTC teams are a week away from regionals, so today will be really busy as they get ready for competition. Here, now that you have 2 files, do the work on this at the same time that he's doing this. Are these done yet?
No.
Okay, then do those. Yeah, could you not do this?
Yeah, this is what I do.
And then do that, yeah. I'm on the Bagel Bytes. They're the Bagel Bits. A little can change a lot. So you might have to go one by one. And I'm not sure if you'll be able to get it perfectly, but get as close as you can.
Yeah, 3 artifacts. Look at 3 artifacts.
Over there.
Maybe start with 2. Take off 2 links first.
Okay.
A short description of your robot, then how you built the robot, maybe some challenges you faced along the way, then how you overcame those challenges. Then maybe go into more depth of the specific things. You should also all say your names at the beginning. I'd say introduce yourself, because these people don't know you. I've gone to each of their tournaments to advise and cheer them on, and I'm really proud of them. Is instead of letting the enemy team drive to them, letting it be their problem. In the middle, you should intersect the enemy team and try to move them out of the way. You have a button that switches it between these, like it would be these wheels. I like that idea. Come back soon for more updates from Team 702, the Bagel Bytes.